Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you need to stay on pace for that goal time. So here is how to actually set pace alerts in Garmin Connect. So basically your watch pauses when you go too fast or too slow. So I'm talking here about how to actually set pace alerts in Garmin Connect app in 2026 using both your devices, whatsoever watch or even phone. The operating system doesn't really matter since Garmin Connect is available on both iOS and Android, so let's get started. First thing first, go all the way, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, download the Garmin Connect app, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. It's time now to actually log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. Then we're gonna go and tap on more or this three-dot menu. Go all the way and look for activities. Well, or any activity options on some version. Then select the activity type, usually run for pace alerts. So for example, I'm gonna tap on activities here. Then you can access all activities. They're gonna tell you go to getting started, garminconnect.com.start. You can basically choose there or create a manual activity. So they're gonna give you this basically thing. Just tap on agree and go move on basically. You can also basically go all the way here, look for okay, we have this training and planning, we have this workouts, we have all of this type of workouts. You can basically add them if you want to create a workout. You can include run here as well, so it depends on you. After doing so, just tap on alerts, then tap add new, select pace. You have choices between like custom range, set minimum and maximum pace, then custom value, alert at a specific pace threshold, and enter your numbers and tap save. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.